In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Ninja Form's contact buttons. We'll walk through changing the text on your buttons, styling them with CSS, adding custom classes for precise control, tweaking behavior with conditional logic or a little JavaScript, and using a page builder if that's part of your workflow. Let's start with the quickest win, updating the button text. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Ninja Forms, then Dashboard, and open the form you want to edit. Click the Submit button field to bring up its settings. In the Display Settings panel on the right, update the label to something clear and action-oriented like Send Message or Get in Touch. When you're happy with it, click Done, then Publish to push the change live. Clear, concise language helps users know exactly what will happen when they click. Next, let's style the button so it matches your brand. You can add custom CSS in Appearance, then Customize, then additional CSS, or in your child theme's style sheet. Typical properties you'll adjust include background color, text color, border radius, padding, and hover or focus states. Aim for strong color contrast for accessibility, and test on mobile to make sure the button is comfortably tappable. For even cleaner control, add a custom class to the button. In the Form Builder, select the Submit button field, open the Advanced tab, and look for the Element class field. Add a class name like My Custom Button. Now you can target that class in your CSS to style this specific button without affecting others across your site. Keep class names unique and descriptive, and remember you can assign more than one class if you need to. If you want to go beyond looks and customize how the button behaves, use Ninja Form's conditional logic or a small JavaScript snippet. Conditional logic can show or hide the button based on user input, or even switch the label dynamically. JavaScript can add subtle animations or custom actions after a click. Keep interactions accessible, avoid interfering with form submission, and test with both mouse and keyboard. Finally, if you're using a page builder like Elementor, Divi, or Beaver Builder, you can often style the Ninja Forms widget right in the interface. Open the widget, head to the Style tab, and adjust colors, typography, borders, and spacing. If something doesn't look right, check how theme styles, widget styles, and your custom class cascade together. Publish your changes, review the form on a couple of devices, and you're done. That's how to customize Ninja Form's contact buttons confidently and cleanly.